Apple is getting ready to make a big move with the iPhone SE 4, its first budget-friendly model in 3 years. This new phone is expected to start mass production in December, and it looks like it will be very special and different from other affordable iPhones. What's exciting is that the SE 4 will feature some new technology that we usually only find in Apple's flagship models. Analyst Jeff Pu from Hayoung International Securities has revealed that the iPhone SE 4 will be the first to use Apple's own 5G technology. Even though Qualcomm will continue to supply modems until March 2027, Apple is already preparing its custom design. The SE 4 will also have a special baseband chip, which is important because it's not just another part of the system. This could really change how Apple connects to networks. A previous report from TD Cowen noted that Qualcomm's 5G modem costs about $28 each. If Apple sells its expected 90 million units of the iPhone 16 series in 2024, Qualcomm could earn around $2.52 billion. By using its own 5G modem, Apple wants to lower these costs and reduce its reliance on Qualcomm, which is a smart move. However, Apple has to be very careful with the pricing of the SE 4. To keep it affordable, the best way is to stop using Qualcomm's modem completely. Johnny Stogie, Apple's Senior VP of Hardware Technologies, has been open about the company's goal to create its own cellular chips, making this change even more exciting. You might be curious about how this will affect your daily phone use. A recent report suggests that switching to an in-house 5G modem may not really change how most people use their phones. In fact, you might not even notice any difference. The good news is that having more control over the hardware and software could lead to better battery life and performance. Plus, Apple will rely less on third-party suppliers like Qualcomm. As we get ready for the launch of the iPhone SE 4, it looks like Apple is preparing something really exciting for budget smartphones. I can't wait to see how everything turns out. What do you think about Apple's approach? Share your thoughts in the comments. Another exciting recent reveal is the transparent back cover for the iPhone SE 4, which is creating a lot of buzz online. People are really talking about it, and it's easy to understand why. It gives us a glimpse of what could be one of the most anticipated phones of 2024. Earlier, tech insider Sunny Dixon shared some images on X showing a back cover case for the iPhone SE 4. What grabbed everyone's attention is the flat back panel with a larger cutout. But the real highlight is this new transparent case that shows all the details of the phone's design, with precise cutouts. It's like getting a sneak peek behind the scenes. Another tipster, PitFix, also shared images of these transparent cases on his X account. The cutouts are clean and sharp, making it easy to picture what the phone will look like. One interesting feature is a cutout that seems to be for an action button. Could this be a mute switch? We'll have to wait for the official unveiling of the device to find out more. The design shows a horizontal camera setup with a flashlight in the middle and a microphone. On the right side, there's a cutout for the power switch, and the left side has cutouts for the volume buttons and that mysterious action button. This camera arrangement looks a lot like the iPhone XR, so it seems we're in for a familiar but updated vibe. I'd love to hear what you think about this transparent back cover. Please share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to stay updated with exclusive content and early tech news, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.